Hello, everybody, again. This is going to be going over the agenda for this week, for week 6, for social studies. So as you can see, this looks a little bit different. I didn't put all 5 days in for the agenda for social studies because I just didn't feel like I needed to, because we don't read in social studies. So you're only going to see the days that are learn days, which are Tuesday and Thursday. So now, yes, we are following the same schedule as English. So English and social studies are going to be on the same days from now on, your learn days, and then your math and science will be the other days of the week. So that way it's alternating. So you're on the same schedule. That's what I messed up last week for you guys. So if you thought that social studies with the other days, I apologize, but now we're going to be on the same days for English and social studies, which kind of is a good thing because it also helps me with scheduling. So I just have the same schedule for both subjects that I teach. I think it helps you guys out too, because then you have alternate days for your assignments for all the subjects. So it's not as much for you, all of you. So today, Monday. I'm making this video the day before, so I apologize. So today is Monday, so you're not going to be doing a learn day. It's just going to be finishing up your assignment, possibly from last week. I know I had the slideshow of the Great Depression, and then you had to take notes on it and answer like 3 questions. So that you have extra time on that to do that and get that done and turned in by tonight, and then obviously do your daily check-in. Then Tuesday, the 28th, you're going to watch a video and complete a reflection, and then a Kahoot. So actually, you know what I did is I actually did the video and reflection for today. So, and then you have the Kahoot to do by Tuesday. So I kind of gave you I kind of split these 2 assignments and made it split it into 2 days. So for Monday you'll do this, and then for tomorrow you'll do this. And then it's due at 11:59 tomorrow night on Wednesday the 29th. So that way it gives you some time to do that. The Kahoot is at your own pace. It's not like we're going to play it together. I can actually schedule it and have you guys complete it on your own, and then I get to see your score afterwards. So please try your best, because this is actually the last step. It's almost like an exit ticket for all of you to see how you're doing with the first lesson of the Great Depression, which was just an intro, and then the stock market crash. So this is going to be, I might count it as a quiz, I might not, I haven't decided yet. But try your best on the Kahoot, and we're going to see who's the winner. Maybe I will give a no homework pass to the top score of the Kahoot game once everybody does it. And you guys know how to do that. It's not like it's quizzes or anything. You all know how to log into Kahoot and do it. I gave you guys the pin for it on Google Classroom when it comes up on tomorrow. So you should be all set to go. The link is there as well. So everything is good for that. So then you're going to have until Wednesday to do that. And then on Thursday is your second learn day of the week. And everything is due by Friday at 11:59. So you're going to complete, obviously, the check-in for the day. You're going to read the Newsela article. You can read that. You don't have to do the questions right away, because the questions are going to be for your due. So you can do that on Friday if you want. And then obviously everything is due on Friday. You also have a practice on Quizlet. We've used Quizlet before. I have assigned it to you guys. You get to practice the words or the definitions with the words or the facts that are located on the Quizlet, and then just practice on it. There's games, there's flashcards. So however you want to do that, you will be getting graded on your participation for that as well. And I just wanted to go over here because, like I told you guys before, this is my unit that I'm doing for grad school. So if you ever need to see any of the assignments or any of the lessons, they're all up here in my website. So this is my website for college. So as you can see, we already did the stock market. That's the slideshow. And your note sheet. We did that last week. And this week, you're going to do the video, which I think, that's today. And reflection. And then the Kahoot is also Monday, Tuesday. And then we're going to do, if you scroll down, you can get to go to the next page, which is lesson 2, which we're starting, I believe, we're starting this on Thursday. So the Newsela article with questions is here. I'm not making you go into Newsela and actually do the article there. This is going to be questions on a Google Doc with the Newsela. So I think you guys do a little bit better when I put it on a Google Doc for you, and I also chunk the reading, so that way there's a question right after each section of the reading. So as you can see here, so this is what you're going to be doing on Thursday. So you're going to read part of it, do what's the main idea, what's the purpose of it, read what's the main idea, and then a question. So there's usually 2 questions per section of the reading. So I think it's a little bit easier, a little bit more organized rather than doing it on New Zealous. That's why I did it this way. And then, like I said, the rest of you, we're going to do the Quizlet too. And then on next week, we're going to do the mid-unit assessment, which is on both this lesson, Roosevelt's New Deal and Policies, as well as lesson 1, which was the intro, and then the stock market crash. So that's going to be on a Google form. So that'll be probably next Monday. So that way you guys get to see everything. This is my entire thing. I have to actually do a whole video on this and present this to my professor for college. So, let me know if, it's easy for you to navigate. I want you guys to give me some opinions on this. Obviously, this is our next lesson afterwards. There's 4 lessons total. They're kind of like the same format for each one. So, oops, sorry. I don't know why I clicked on that. So, then it's going to be to this is the 4th lesson. And then you guys have your final project, which you can see, but I'm not going to get into it right now. I want you guys to do that. That'll be fun. You have 3 choices for that. So again, if you have any questions on the week 6 agenda, this week's agenda, please let me know. Let me know how you're doing with it. If you need to talk to me on Google Classroom, on Remind, parents text me, call me, whatever. Since we do have the same days now, Learn Days for English and for social studies, we're going to just incorporate the Google Meets together. So that way the Google Meet will be both about ELA and social studies. So we're not going to have different days of the week for Google Meet. So it'll just be whatever we pick for English, and then we'll do both. So if anything you need, let me know. Hope you guys had a fantastic weekend and have a fantastic day. And I will talk to you all soon.